We're soaking up our final days at our Florida home base, spending quality time with friends and enjoying life on the water before hitting the road for our big adventure to Alaska. A scenic boat ride down the mighty St. Johns River to the crystal clear waters of Silver Glen Springs. It's exactly the kind of send-off we were hoping for. Hi, we're Roy and Crystal. We ramble around the U.S. in our Renegade looking for our next epic adventure.
I am getting the Jeep ready for Alaska. Changing the oil, cabin air filter, which we'll probably have to change again when we get back because it'll be all dusty.
Roy is adding tie-down anchors to the trailer for our new side-by-side. If you know Roy, you know he has to modify his new toy. This is before. Here he's modifying it. And then there's after. We're new to YouTube, so we figured, why not add a decal to the trailer and put our channel out there a little? It's a fun way to share what we're up to and maybe connect with a few fellow travelers along the way. If you see us out on the road, come say hi. We were treated to a surprise air show as 2 float planes kept taking off from the water, circling back and doing it all over again.
Pretty cool.
There's the red plane that just took off. A group of manatees swam right under our dock, one of those classic Florida moments we can't get enough of. This is one of our favorite little creeks off the St. Johns River. Such a peaceful, scenic ride, especially when you start spotting gators along the way. Johnny saves the day and snatches the drone out of the air before it goes swimming. We're entering Silver Glen Springs, a beautiful spring just off of Lake George along the St. Johns River. Fun fact, Lake George is the second largest lake in Florida, just behind Lake Okeechobee. There's a noticeable police presence here, which is a good thing. It can get pretty lively and a bit rowdy in the heart of the season. We spotted a sea tow boat and chatted with the captain. We mentioned how crowded it was and he just laughed and said, "This is nothing. It'll be even busier in a couple of weeks."
Silver Glen, Sunday afternoon.
Florida man.
It's rare to see a gator at the springs, but they are there.
There's Crystal. With Davida. There's Johnny.
Roy towed us on our inner tubes over to the pizza boat, but unfortunately they were sold out. So we had him pull us over to the spring, where we got some awesome underwater footage. Thanks, Steve. This is the boil at Silver Glen Springs, the main source where fresh spring water boils up into the run. And that fish, it's striped bass.
Okay, we got a little shark coochie board here.
Shark coochie.
There you go.
Loki and I love paddleboarding at Silver Glen. Here's a throwback of us from a previous visit. And yep, every now and then you might spot a float plane glide in. On our ride back home after an awesome day at Silver Glen, let's just say we might have enjoyed a cocktail or two.
Getting the property ready for our departure. It's the end of April. We won't be back till November. Gotta get everything tucked away. Got all my plants together. Still gotta tuck the furniture away in case there's a hurricane. We don't want to have any flying projectiles.
Since we'll be gone all summer, we made sure to test all the sprinklers and get everything running right. The trailer's packed to the gills. Time to close it up and get ready to roll out. We're loaded up and ready to roll. I'll be driving the Gladiator while Roy drives Pete, hauling the trailer to our Montana lot. We'll leave the trailer in Montana and head even farther north to Alaska. This adventure is just getting started.
Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because this summer we're hitting the road in our RV and driving from Florida all the way to Alaska. It's going to be one incredible journey, and we'd love to have you along for the ride.